I see you were on the fence this morning. I heard you tapping steaks there. You were tapping what?
Well, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be doing turf cutting. So we have a few bales to make here, about 7 acres thereabouts. So I mowed it down there yesterday around dinner time there. So she's been down there now for nearly a day. She's down there for half a day really. So she's okay cop. It wouldn't be as heavy now as the second cut obviously, but for 6 weeks growth wasn't too bad. She's real green stuff, so she should make good bales of silage hopefully. So it rained here yesterday about 7 o'clock I think. So she's a little bit damp, but she's not too bad. She had blue skies there in front of me, so the plan is I'm going to toss it out now and then we'll get a rake maybe this evening and I'll get a bale maybe tomorrow morning. That's the idea. Or depending on the way the weather's going, I might take it out the second time. I'll see. So I have the tether on the Sammy there. 4 rotor tether on the Sammy. Well able for her. So she's a minus 4 rotor tether. So I just want to make sure I have it all set up that she's picking all the grass. So I'll get the first few runs on and then I'll get the drone up and get a few shots. So it's the next day there now, so I'm up here now with the rake pointing the Sammy there. So the Neverland, I think she's a 20-25 foot rake. So I have her headed out there now and she's after getting a good wilt. She's nice and dry stuff. She should make good bales hopefully. So we mowed it on Wednesday. I tedded out Thursday and now it's Friday morning. I'm going to get this raked and the man with the balers meant to be coming on in about an hour's time. So I want to get this field raked. It shouldn't only take me half an hour to get this bit raked anyway. So we'll get a rake to get the bottom of it kind of shaped up again and give it a little dry before he comes. So I'm going to burst on here now and we'll get the drone up. So I was filming a bit of the tedding, but I crashed the drone again into the tree, but I have super glued it back together, so hopefully it should work. But I'm going to get the first 2 headlands done and then I'll get the drone up, so we'll get going here.
Dutch kids hot balloons in the parking lot. The golden arches illuminate the business park. I eat myself to death, feed the corporate machine. I watch the movies, recite every line and scene. God bless America and all of its allies. I'm not the first to live with wool over my eyes. I am so blissfully unaware of everything. Kids in Gaza are bombed and I'm just out of it. The tensions of the world are rising higher. We're probably due another war with all desire. I'm not smart enough to change a thing. I have no answers, only questions. Don't you ask a thing.
So I have the field all right there now, so it only took me about 40 minutes to rake it. So you can see there, not a bad sport. Now, it would be the biggest one we've ever had. But she's nice and dry. She's nice green stuff the whole way to the bottom. So I should make good bales hopefully. There's some seed heads coming onto it, so I wanted to get a cut now. I'm going to get a cut now and then I'll get out some fertilizer on it before the fertilizer ban comes in. So I have half a ton to go out here to get it growing again, and we might throw a bit of grass seed into this field about when it's bare, so kind of rejuvenate the sod there. You can see there she's got like Italian ryegrass kind of thing, but she's not very dense in the bottom. She's only tetraploid, so she's not very dense. So I might just come in here and give it a quick run of the herbs harrow, roughen up a bit and then spread on a few bags on with the fertilizer better, just roughly enough like. I want to cover the field and done as well, so that's the plan. So he should be here now, let's say, within the hour. He'll be long baling that. But Sammy's was way able for the rake anyway. So I'm after doing the raking and 10 with Sammy. She's no bother to her. So she looked well there now with the red rake and the tractor stuff. Right, so I'll go back down to the yard now and get the bale handler on the back of this and get ready to start drawing the bales in.
Kinds of eating mankind, hidden in our blind side. They say I'm a nihilist, cause I can't see any decent rhyme or reason for the life of you and me. But I believe in what I'm feeling, and I'm fighting for you. This world is gonna end, but till then I'll give you everything I'll give you everything
So we got 33 bales off the field, so about 5 bales to the acre. So I'm just drawing in here at the moment. I'm bearing 2, I think. It's about 2.5 weeks there now since the last clip from me cutting the bales, so we end up getting 33 bales off the field, about 6.5, 7 acres, so roughly about 5 bales to the acre. So it wasn't bad. So we also got 2 bales off. Man, I was cutting silage off down far side of the lane there. We had 2 bales left, he didn't want to come back, so we got 2 bales there, so we've 35 bales there in the yard. So we started feeding them out there 1st of October, which was yesterday, so it's the 2nd today. So the bales have been fermented for about 2.5 weeks, so they're still a bit green, but we've had to feed the bale yesterday, we've fed her a bale today, and she's nice stuff there now. So it's still a bit green because it hasn't fermented fully. As you can see, the cows go mad for it. It's really nice stuff, you can smell it, it's a lovely smell of it. Still a bit green, it hasn't really fermented fully, but it smells lovely, lovely and dry. As you can see, the cows love it. They know now when they hear me feeding it, I have to leave it feeding it till the very end of the evening time. They can hear me feeding it and they stand there and roaring for the grass. Me myself with the double bale handler and the father with the single bale handler, we got them down fairly well. So right now, the only thing is they won't be long being fed out. So at the moment there we're calving, we had a heifer calf there this morning and another heifer calf there Friday. I think it was Friday, she did fairly hard calving. Unfortunately the calf didn't make it, she was calving really all day. The calf kind of was getting jammed in her. The vet got her out, thankfully. So I'm going to leave the video there. But thanks for watching the video. Hopefully I'll have another video out now next week about a bit of a shed we're building there. We'll try to get that out and then we'll see then. Cows probably be coming in then fairly shortly. It'll be November, so I'm going to leave the video there. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And good luck.